Assalamu alaikum everyone. In today's online session of primary 6 mathematics, we have discussed about significant figures. So what are significant figures? Significant figures are the numbers that have some significance, means they have some importance. And there are also some rules to learn about significant figures we need to focus on those rules and learn them well. So let's begin with the first rule, that is count all non-zeros. If you have a numbers without any zero, so all numbers will be significant. The second rule is the zeros between non-zero digits. An easy way you can remember like this, that it's a sandwich. Like in the first part you can see that 2 0 3. So 0 is in the middle and 2 and 3 squeeze the 0 between them. So these are significant. If there is a 0 between non-zero numbers, so they must be significant. The third one is leading zeros are not significant figures. Like if you see any number sequence begin with the leading zeros, so these will not be significant for us. We will only took those number as a significant which are non-zeros or which are after the leading zeros. The fourth one and the last rule, that is trailing zeros. So the trailing zeros, first of all, the trailing zeros are the sequence of zero that that is the decimal representation of a number. In fourth rule we have sub rules, that if there is a decimal we have to count the zeros will be significant. Then if there's no decimal, then we do not need to count. Like in the first part you can see 23,000. So in 23,000 we have no decimal, so only two significant figures. All the three zeros will not be significant. In the second part you can see that there is a decimal, so all the numbers will be significant. Similarly in the third one you can see 90. That means 0 is not significant over here. Take care everyone and learn all the rules well. Take care.